What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be leveling our refrigerator as well as adjusting the doors. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new future videos. Alright guys, let's get to this. Okay, so this job is going to be the same no matter what kind of fridge you have, but you're going to have to open it up. And we're going to come down to the bottom, and they usually have these little covers in the front that you just pull. Sometimes they might have a couple screws, but a lot of times they just pull and snap right out. Let's see if we can't get some light under here. There we go. Good time to dust your fridge. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of dust. So you're going to want to grab your level and put it sideways on the fridge like this. And it looks like if I lift up on the left side a little, it levels out. So we know the left side of the fridge needs to just come up just a little bit. Now there's a screw right here. One on each side right here, and this is going to adjust these wheels right here in the front. There's a set of wheels right in the front. Now if you see two sets of these screws, the one on the inside will be to adjust the rear wheels, but it looks like this fridge only has the adjustment for the front ones. So it looks like it's a 3/8, so we'll just put a socket on that, and we're just going to tighten it, and that's going to lift it up. It's kind of slow going. Check back up here. We're almost there. Hair more. Alright, looks like we are dead level. And I wanted to tell you guys, if you look underneath your fridge and you have those little metal adjusting feet, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to level the fridge first with the wheels, and then you're going to want to drive those metal legs down, and that's what's going to support it. Because then you can actually lift up those wheels on that type of fridge. And also when you're leveling it, if you can, you want to make it sloped a little back. You want the fridge to be leaning about 1/4 inch back so that, you know, the doors will be able to close easier. It'll be swinging back into the fridge easier. Now on this double door fridge, you can see there is a unlevelness. Now on my fridge, this right door is a little lower, so what we're going to do is come down here to the bottom of the right door, and this bolt right here, that's our adjusting bolt. We're going to want to go ahead and spray it with a little WD-40. Let that soak a minute. Okay, a quick look over the manual. It's always a good idea to hold on to these. There is a little set screw right here, this threaded part right here. It uses an Allen key. So we'll just loosen up this little 3/32, that's the size, hex key on this one. That's going to allow us to even move that big bolt. Kind of locks it in place. Now we can get a 7/16 socket. You can use a wrench, adjustable wrench, and I'm going to tighten this to raise the door. Doesn't take much. We're almost there. Now you may need to adjust both doors if you run out of space, you know, adjustment wise. Lower the other side and raise this one a little bit. Alright, we're there. So we'll tighten that little lock screw back down. There we go. And we'll go ahead and snap that cover back on. Don't forget to clean underneath your fridge. I also have a special video on that. I'll go ahead and put that link there. But that's how to level and adjust the doors on your fridge, guys. If you're new to my channel, do me a favor and please subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can get those new videos. And thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.